Hey everybody, I've never made a video for my car before, but I wanted to share. I'm excited about this new ukulele. Why am I sharing this? Because it's a cold, wet, rainy day. I'm on my way to do a kids program and I'm practicing this thing. For a family program. I'll show you this. I'll teach you how to play this in a moment. I just wanted to share, I'm so psyched about this new ukulele I just got in the mail. It's the Enya, it's carbon fiber, came with this capo, came with a tuner, a really sleek case. I have to say, I'm really impressed with this. It's a freezing cold day right now in Vermont. It's not out of tune. It's got a nice, sweet sound. This is the 26-inch model. It feels great. The neck is great. The frets are really in tune. Right up to the, I'm very picky about my intonation. So cool. Besides my wrong notes, it's in tune. So I really dig this. Do you have an Enya ukulele? Let me know in the comments below. Would you like to learn that thing I was just playing? Okay, it's a little hybrid banjo thing I just stumbled upon right now and I'm sharing it with you. So what I'm doing is, and the technique I'm doing is kind of like a pseudo claw hammer thing. I pick 7th fret with my thumb, and then I'm going to brush, and then I'm going to come up with the index finger. But that index stroke, for me, I feel it here in the wrist. Right? It looks like my finger's moving, but really the motion is from the wrist. So let's just get comfortable with those 3 motions. Open strings. Ready? Pluck for the melody, brush, and then up for another melody. Pluck, brush, up, pluck, brush, up, pluck, brush, up, pluck, brush, up. So when you add the melody to this, 7th fret with all the open strings, 3rd fret with all the open strings, 7th fret with all this open strings, and then the 10th fret with all the open strings. Take a listen. I'm going to play. It feels easier to do it faster, honestly. But a good idea to slow it down, of course. So, pluck, strum, up. The wrist is making that motion. The next part of the melody, play this shape. Open 5, 3, 5. That's a open-ish G7 chord. And now my thumb is going to pluck top string. And now my thumb is going to pluck the 2nd string. And then the 3rd melody note, I reach my pinky up there. If that reach is killing your hand, just re-finger it like this. It's another way to play G7. Open 5, 7, and then you add the pinky there. All right. You put it all together, it's something like this. 1, 2, here I go. And at the very end, I just strum. I'll make a full tutorial about this sometime and add it to my chord melody course. I just wanted to share a really quick update from the wet, cold road that the Enya ukulele is really impressing me. I love how indestructible this carbon fiber is. I think I want to get one with the pickups so I can put it through my looper and do all kinds of wild stuff with it. So if you have an Enya and you like it, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And I'll put some information about it down below. I am really stoked about this ukulele. Thanks for watching. Hope music and ukulele is making your day wonderful. I got to get into the library right now and entertain some families. I hope you are doing great. Peace, good health, and many blessings to you. Thanks.